Here's a conversation I've had more than once. A data center is months into operation. The team is proud of the build, but the facility is running partially or fully on diesel, not because of the outage, because of the grid and electricity system SCADA integration didn't commission cleanly and nobody could afford to stop. That's not a backup mode. That is an unfinished business case. Backup generation exists for outage events. It exists for the moment when the grid fails. It does not exist as a workaround for an interface to energy system that was specified by the wrong people, signed off too quickly, and discovered to be incomplete at energization. This is one of the quietest failure modes in the industry. It rarely makes news. It does not show up in case studies, but it reduces more than one project returns on investments. And here's the part worth sitting with. The decision that led to this usually made 18 months earlier in procurement, when the grid interface and the SCADA integration were treated as commodity items, when the generalists won the package. Because they came in cheap, when nobody on the team had the depth to ask the right question about the transmission level requirement, someone, somewhere upstream didn't engage the right specialist at the right time. If you're delivering a data center, the cheapest insurance you can buy is to engage a subject matter specialist who can help mitigate risks for your projects at the very early stages. So reach out to ACE today and we are happy to help you out.